Welcome back to Rough Diamond Recipes. I hope you're all safe and well. Today's recipe is Yorkshire Pudding. Over the years we tried several different ways of making Yorkshire puddings, but this one seems to work the best for us. We're only making 6 today because we're not that greedy. Well, we are, but we're only making 6 today. Okay, put a tablespoonful of oil in each cup of the muffin tray. Turn your oven onto its highest setting and put the tray in the oven for at least 10 minutes while you make the batter. And to make the batter couldn't be simpler. Put the eggs, flour and milk into a jug with the salt and whisk together until a nice batter is achieved. Easy. When the batter is made, it's simply a matter of waiting until the oil in the oven reaches temperature. You want it as hot as you can get, even smoking. And when the oil is smoking, simply remove the tray from the oven and pour in the batter mixture. You want to pour the batter mixture till it comes halfway up the cups because they do expand a lot when they cook in. You hope. Then it's back off to the oven for a further 10 minutes or until they've risen and nice and crispy and brown. One extra tip, don't make an odd number because the rows you can have over the one that's left can be quite vicious. One time we had the 4 kids round for dinner. I made 6 people in all and I made 7 Yorkshire puddings. There was gravy up the wall, tears before bedtime. You haven't seen the like of it. So you have been warned. Hope you enjoyed this recipe. Feel free to subscribe, share and like. Stay safe and we'll see you on the next one. Bye for now.